Hello everyone, welcome to Anonymous World. So today is day 21 of Advent of Cyber 2023. So let's get started. So day 21 is DevSecOps. You will be poisoned, a pipeline of insecure code. So one of the main reasons for acquiring Antarctica was for the crafty automation and gift giving rapid in crafting. And after securing their automation, they discovered other parts of their CI/CD environment that are used to build and extend their pipeline. And an attacker can use this build system to indirectly poison the previously secured pipeline. Okay, so let's see what we will learn today. Understand how a larger CI/CD environment operates. Explore indirect poison pipeline execution and how it can be used to exploit Git. And finally, apply CI/CD exploitation knowledge to a larger CI/CD environment. So let's start our virtual machine and attack box. Okay, so then description of CI/CD environment is given there. How the environment look like. So first there is development, then build, then deploy, then testing, and finally it is deployed. And the whole process is continuously monitored. The process from development to testing comes under continuous integration, and deploy finally comes in continuous deployment. So let's see the practical challenge. So navigate to the this IP. So let's open our browser. Okay, let's go to the IP 10.10.183.143 running on port 3000. We will cut this. Okay, so here we can log in using guest password 123. So let's sign in. Username is guest and password is password 123. Okay, so when you've logged in successfully, you should see two repositories, gift wrapper and the gift wrapper pipeline. So we can see there are two repositories here. Okay, so navigate to this another URL. So let's go there. So it is the Jenkins platform Antarctica uses for building an automation and logging in the credentials admin. Login with admin. Once you've logged in successfully, you should see a project gift wrapper build. So let's see. Yeah, so we can see there is one project gift wrapper build. And before looking at the environment's other component, let's dig deeper into the Git repositories. So let's come back here. So looking at the gift wrapper pipeline repository, we may notice a Jenkins files. Yeah, so there is one Jenkins file. And if a repository is unprotected, an attacker can modify a pipeline file to execute commands on the build system. For example, an attacker could control the build stage by modifying make true to who am I, and this is possible because the Jenkins files allow you to run shell command, as you can see on line number 13. You can see at the line number 13 sh shell command is being run make true. So if we change it to who am I, then it will be run as who am I. To modify the Jenkins file, we use the power of Git, and to begin working with a repository, a local copy must be created or cloned from the remote repository. So first let's clone that. Copy this. Okay, let's open our terminal. Okay, it is cloned. So now once cloned, we can make any changes we wish and then commit the changes. So let's see. Let's go to cd gift wrapper pipeline. Okay, so here is our Jenkins files. So to start, we can exploit PP by changing line 13 of the Jenkins files from sh make true to sh umi. So let's do that. So we will change this line from to who am I. Let's save this. Okay, After that, to add our changes to remote repository, we must push our commits. After modifying the Jenkins files, run the commands below to add commit and push your changes. So run git add, okay, then git commit. You can give your commit message. They changed to mi. Okay, one file changed. Now we need to push that git push. So it's asking for username. So it was guest and password was password123. Okay, it says user permission denied for writing. So looking at how the Jenkins files work, we may notice that it uses make. And if we recall from the previous section, a make file can be used to define a set of rules to execute steps such as commands. And the make file is defined in the gift wrapper repository, meaning it can have different protection than the pipeline repository. So let's try this with the second repository. So we will clone the other repository. So let's do that. So the name was gift wrapper.get. Do that. Okay, gift wrapper.get. Okay, let me see the name. Yeah, so it's gift wrapper. Okay, ls. So we can see here is one file named make file. So let's read that cat make file. So you can see under build it is defined the two underscore pipe dot sh. So means this script is being ran. So we can edit that nano make file, and instead of build we can use UMI. Save this. Okay, so now perform the same steps. Git add dot, okay, then git commit. We can give our message, change to UMI. Okay, one file changed. Now we can try pushing that. Username is guest, password is password123. Yeah, so you can see this time there was no error and the change has been made. So the our change has been pushed. So now let's go to our Jenkins. You see uh, we can check the status and output of the build from the Jenkins by navigating to this within the project gift wrapper build under the gift wrapper pipeline repository. So let's see gift wrapper build. Here we need to go to gift wrapper pipeline. We will play this. Okay, and go to yeah. So the build is completed. Let's check that console output. Let's see if the result of UMI is there. Okay, commit message change to UMI. Yeah, so you can see the result is here. Who am I? I am Jenkins. So notifying branch build status success. This commit looks good. So let's go to the questions. So what Linux kernel version is the Jenkins node? So we can check that by using the command uname with a flag. So let's do that. We will again edit that. This time we will use uname a save. Then again do the same thing. We will give a commit message. Let's give checking kernel. Okay, then push. Yes, password123. Yeah, so it is done. We will again go to our browser, then again we will run this build. Go here, click on green play button, build schedule. So it is running now. Yeah, so successfully ran. So go to main, build history. So here under console output we can see our answer. So let's see. Yeah, so you can see Unime, the version is here 5.0.40.1029. So let's enter that 5.4.0.1029 AWS. Yeah. So now what value is found from var jenkins secret.key? So again we can do the same thing. We need to change the command in make file. So we can read the file using cat var lib jenkins secret.key. Save this. Okay, git commit secret key. Then we will push that. Give the credentials guest. Password is password 123. Yeah, it is done. Again we will perform the same steps. Go to gift wrapper pipeline, schedule the build. It will start running. Okay, so it ran successfully. Go to main, then go to 6. So in console output we can find the answer. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see the secret key is here. Let's copy that. Yeah, so that was the correct answer. So this was all for day 21. I'll see you tomorrow in day 21. Till then, keep learning.